Urugari wa kiuteti na uria ukoretwo kiambatira na gikiro kinene ica ikuhi makiria ukonainie na uteti wa githurano kinene kia mwaka ukite uthiite na mbere gututhura wagagu wigie mwerekera uria bururi ukuoya makiria niguo guthaitira gututhuka kwa ngui cia githurano bururi-ini ta uria kwahanikire mwaka-ini wa 2078. Kamiti mwene iria ithukirwo wira wa guthaitira undu uyu kuhanika na makiria guthingatithia thayu na urumwe bururi-ini ya NCIC. Ona gutuika aingi mathiite na mbere gwikirira nganja uhoti wayo kung'ethanira na ciiko cia gucogera muingi makiria kumana na maumirira mahau kabere.
But when you look at the NCIC law strictly, its job is actually reconciliation. It's not even arresting anybody. Its job is to reconcile society when the society has differences. But we have stressed, and even the NCIC itself, it has not explained itself properly to society.
Kiumia-ini giki kamiti ino ya NCIC yagwetire abunge Cibarati, Silvana Sosoro na Joana Ng'eno na uria wari gavana wa Nairobi Mike Sonko gukorwo magicogera ngui bururi-ini. Undu uria kuringana na kamishna wa tene wa NCIC Prof Naituli Gitile ti muiganu hari kung'ethanira na ciiko ta ici ari njira-ini ya guthaitira gututhuka kwa ngui bururi-ini.
Establishing the list of shame by the National Cohesion and Integration is good first step, but it's not enough. NCIC need to demand the other agencies prosecute. Where NCIC cannot prosecute, it has moral authority to demand prosecution by other agencies. So that has not come, but that has to come.
Ciiko cia ica ikuhi kuria abunge Cibarati na Silvana Sosoro makimithuranire ngudi mbere ya muingi. Undu umwe na ngui iria ciumiririe hindi ya micemanio ya kiuteti mwena wa Githurai na Bama guku Nairobi ni citumite NCIC kugarikwo kabiru ihinda-ini riri. Guku aingi makimigweta ta ngui itari urume kuona gutire ikinya ria kiwatho itacukitie.
NCIC need to get the prosecutorial powers, so it's able to deal with the, because our politicians are just interesting. They don't like us. They are very selfish. I mean, imagine somebody is fighting in front of a deputy president of the Republic of Kenya who has armed guard protecting him. So what if these people panic and they imagine that the man is in danger and they are allowed to shoot?
Hindi ya gikaro na andiki a mohoro kiumia giki muikariri giti wa NCIC Reverend Samuel Kobia ni ahithuririe mubango wa kunyitanira na honge ingi cia thirikari niguo kuhingiriria ateti othe marituhukaga miario ya gucogera ngui kuma kurugama ituro-ini cia utongoria. Undu uria unyititwo mbaru ni kamishna wa tene Naituli Gitile akihinyiriria noyo njira njega ya kuhukia uteti wa irumi na ucogeri ngui bururi-ini.
There must be consequences from bad behavior. If there is no consequences from bad behavior, impunity will take root. In fact, I think in the change law, NCIC need to be given powers to bar people with bad behavior from contesting or even being appointed to an office.
Riu kibarua kinene gia gutigirira thayu wa bururi ndunatharario ihinda-ini riri uteti wa githurano kia mwaka ukite unyitithitio thing'a uhocetio moko-ini ma kamiti ino guku akenya ingi makihoka thayu wa bururi ndunatharario noguo guthii na mbere na miturire yao ya oro muthenya. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Jitagwo Mwaura, Wagunya.